Understanding the phrase, village gathering. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, village gathering. This phrase might sound simple, but it's packed with cultural and social meanings. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your conversations. Village gathering refers to a social event or meeting where people from a village or a small community come together. It's not just any meeting. It's about community, traditions, and social bonding. This gathering can be for various reasons: festivals, discussions, celebrations, or even making important decisions. Historically, village gatherings were crucial in small communities. They served as the heart of social life in a village. These gatherings could include local festivals, community feasts, or town hall meetings. They reflect a sense of togetherness and community spirit that is central to many cultures around the world. In modern times, the concept of a village gathering might have evolved, but it still holds significant importance. It could be seen in community meetings, neighborhood events, or local festivals. This phrase symbolizes the continuation of traditions and the importance of community involvement even in today's fast-paced world. When you use the phrase, village gathering, you're referring to more than just a meeting. You're evoking a sense of community, tradition, and togetherness. For example, you might say, the annual village gathering is where everyone comes together to celebrate our local culture. This shows not just a physical meeting, but a coming together of hearts and minds. So, that's village gathering for you. A phrase that's small in words but vast in meaning, reflecting the warmth and closeness of community life. I hope this video helps you understand and use this beautiful phrase in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the culture and stories they carry. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.